OnePay does not support direct transfers to Cash App. However, you can move funds indirectly by linking your OnePay debit card or routing account details as a bank in Cash App for instant or standard editions. Primary method: link OnePay as bank in Cash App. Open the Cash App, tap Money tab, bank icon, add bank, select link bank, manually enter OnePay, account jet routing numbers, find in OnePay app, cash control, direct deposit, or link your OnePay debit card directly. Verify, may require micro deposits. Once linked, transfer. In Cash App, add, cash, enter amount, select linked OnePay source. Confirm. Alternative, transfer to linked bank first. In OnePay app, cash control, move money, transfer to external linked bank. 2 to 5 days. Once in bank, add to Cash App via ACH or debit.